The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Bullock County in southeastern Georgia, Candler County in southeastern Georgia, Evans County in southeastern Georgia, Tattnall County in southeastern Georgia, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Metter, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Statesboro, Metter, Claxton, Hagan, Calmtown, Pulaski, Register, Daisy, Belleville, and Manassas. This includes Interstate 16 between mile markers 96 and 126. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Report damage directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so.